Okay, I'm feeling the vibe of this eye look. Just take a moment. This look deserves some accolade, baby girl. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Like, seriously, mama is all over the place. I'm doing the most. I'm doing the most. I'm doing the most. Like, seriously. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beautyartist Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do it. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey boos. No, I don't have any lip gloss on my teeth today. Hey baby girls, how you doing? Mine is back with another bomb ass look. What do you guys think? Let me know, okay, in the comment section below. I'm super into this look. I'm all over the place. She's doing the most as always. Okay, I'm loving the way this look turned out. Okay, and yeah, without any further ado, just go ahead and jump into this makeup-ish game. Okay, anyways, no long talking. As mama always tell you, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Not F anybody. Do not F anybody. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah. So guys, for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be taking the L.agirl concealer. This one is a beautiful bronze. I'm using a darker concealer. The reason why I'm using a darker concealer, because this is the kind of eye look that I'm going for. Okay, all right, okay, thank you. Do it, baby girls, how we do it? So guys, to blend in my concealer, I'm going to be taking a Technique sponge. Technique sponge. This is a Technique sponge. To blend in my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Technique brush. I'm just going to blend out all over my lid. Some powder. These two palettes right here. I'm going to be taking this Beautyartist pointed round brush and dip it into this shade right here. Start right here. So I'm just going to start from my outer V and then blend, apply and blend very softly, because I'm going to be doing a very smooth job. You know what I mean? Smooth job. Just watch mama do that. Just watch mama do that. And at the same time, I'm going to transfer it to my inner corner. That is the kind of eye look we are going today. Okay, we are doing a kind of a cat eye look. All right, so that is why I start from my outer V to my inner corner. So yes, and then fluff it out as a wing liner. Just fluff it out. You see how I do it? Fluff it out. Be with the results. Mirror, stay straight. Mama is about to get serious. You know how it is, baby girls. So I think I'm happy with the transition color already. Yes. Now I'm going to switch to another small round brush, and this one is from by Seova. This one is a Petite crease brush. This one right here, and that is going to be my second transition color. I'm just going to do the same. The first method I use for the first color, I'm going to use for the second color. So first I start right here and flood it out and transfer it to my inner corner. All right, so booming, you see that? Booming, period. No argument, period. Okay, let's do. I'm going to switch my brush. I'm going to be taking this beautiful purple right here. See, very soft, because I need to blend out my edges. My edges need to be on point, period. Okay, my edges need to be on point. As you can see, that shade is not too dramatic. I hardly add anything on my brush. I just dab it. You're good shade. I blend my edges. Don't forget the edges, baby girl. Mama taught you that. Do not forget to blend your edges. So with a Petite brush, I'm dipping my brush into this shade right here, and I'm just going to define my crease more. We ain't doing cut crease, but we are just going to smoke out our crease. That's the look we're going for. You see that? You see how we do it? That's how we do it, baby girl. It right here. Just going to pack that on my lid. Yes, honey, darling, why are you sweating? I'm going to dip in my brush into this shade right here. You can go ahead and leave it like that, but mama is always all over the place. She's doing the most, so I'm going to cut my crease more, period. Just watch me do that. This is how I do it. This is how we do it. You see what I mean? I'm just going to apply that darker shade, blend it a little bit on top of that beautiful green that I just applied on my lid. Wow, I know I'm going to be making it. We made it, baby girl. Eye Studio gel liner. It has been a minute, baby girl. Miss you. I'm going to be taking this 6 Plus eyeliner brush. The one I used to define my crease more. I'm going to be taking this shade and I'm going to blend under my eye, and then later I go ahead and apply the second transition color for under my eye to really blow it out. So yeah, this one is much more better. Okay, I'm feeling the vibe of this eye look. Just take a moment. This look deserves some accolade, baby girl. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Like, seriously, mama is all over the place. I'm doing the most. Like, seriously. Beautiful nude shade right here. That is going to be my true brow bone highlight here. Not transition color. Transition color is already past. Okay. So that is going to be my brow bone highlight, baby girl. Taking my brush, just blend everything together. Yellow shade right here corner. Let's see how it's going to elevate the look, baby girls. Yups. Okay, isn't it bad? It's okay. It's manageable, baby girl. Don't complain. It's manageable. Catrice Lashes to Key mascara. Just going to voluminize my lashes. My lashes. One of my favorite lashes. Drop it on. Drop it on. To line my lips, I'm going to be taking this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. This one is in Deeply. So for lipstick, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one is in Peach. I know this shade is going to be perfect for this eye look. I know it already. What are you telling? Yes, I'm going to be topping it with this NYX Intense Butter Gloss. Okay, chocolate. That's pretty much it for this eye look and the lip combo. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you find it helpful and useful as well. Okay, keep practice. Practice makes perfect. Okay, never stop learning. I'll be back. Just stick around. Okay.